Exceptional design, high quality, and reliable functionality characterize superior switches. Schurter presents the new MSM II generation. The MSM II easily withstands freezing temperatures of up to -30 degrees or heat of up to 85 degrees. This robust product family is characterized by increased impact resistance. Thanks to the subminiature microswitch, the MSM II can be integrated even in the tightest of spaces. The indicator enables a consistent design. The MSM II is suitable for applications in medical, industrial and laboratory equipment, as well as for energy and professional consumer goods. The MSM II from Schurter meets customer-specific requirements through numerous available sizes, colors, types of lighting and labeling. The possibilities are limitless. Schurter. Safe and easy.